Hi everyone, the grades 1 to 5 digital music theory exam is approaching, and today's lesson is for all grades 1 to 5 of music theory exam, writing and naming the scales. No matter you are a music teacher, student or parents, I'm going to share how to work out a key signature chart like this within 10 minutes during your upcoming digital music theory exam. This chart allows you to secure all sharps and flats when writing scale. You will be given a piece of blank paper during the theory exam, and imagine this is a house, and just split it into 2 rooms. The left room for all the keys with sharps, and the right one for all the keys with flats. Draw 2 columns for each room like this. For major and minor keys, the leftmost column, you need to use your imagination. You have a cat at the leftmost column, and the rightmost column has a dog. And then your cat eats the apple, and your dog eats fish. So the keys of sharps are 5 steps apart. So the cat represents C major, the dog is for D minor, the cat eats apple, so cat C major, eat apple, so the A is A minor. That's how you get A minor. And the dog eat the fish, so the F is for F major. So this is the only part that you need to memorize. Then after that, you can just count 5 steps apart. So starting from C major, count 5 steps. C, D, E, F, G. So the next key is G major, then G, A, B, C, D. So the next key is D major, and so on. The same for the rest of the key. Starting from A minor, also the same. All minor keys in the left room are 5th apart. So A, B, C, D, E. So the next key will be E minor. After E, F, G, A, B. So B minor, and so on. And for the left room, starting from F, all keys have sharps. So starting from F, F sharp, the minor key, F sharp minor, C sharp minor, G sharp minor, and so on. The right room is different. It will be 4 steps apart. So starting from F major, count 4 steps, F, G, A, B. So the B, the next one is a B flat major. For the key signature of flat, we have flat starting from B. So B flat, E flat, A flat, and B flat, and so on. They are 4 steps apart. Starting from B minor, the next one D, E, F, G. So the next one is G minor, C minor, and so on. Starting from B, all the keys have flats. And please remember the keys of flats at the right side, there's 1 key less than the keys of sharps. At the bottom of left room, we start with 6 sharps. Father can go down and eat. And between all the key signature of sharps, we also 5 steps apart. F sharp, after 5 steps is C sharp, G sharp, D sharp. The sharps are 5 steps apart also. As we move 1 level up, we just need to drop the last sharp, and so on, to build a pyramid. So in the end, you end up having C major without any sharps. Okay, no sharp, no flats. Well, after you building the pyramid, you realize towards the end, the C major, the top key, no sharps. At the right room, we start with 6 flats. Okay, so the bottom of right room, we start with 6 flats. Big, elephant, and donkey go cinema. So they are 4 steps apart. And use the same method, drop the last flat as we move 1 level up to build a pyramid of key signature. By doing this, you don't need to memorize the key signatures. So during the exam, when they ask you to insert the accidentals, you can just refer to this chart and write down the key signatures before building the scales. Write down what are the accidentals in and descending part. And after that, you can just insert the accidentals accordingly. In this F sharp melodic minor scales, you can refer to the chart and it has 3 sharps, F sharp, C sharp, G sharp. So make it a habit to write down all the key signature. In ascending melodic minor, you need to raise the 6 and 7 notes, which are D sharp and E sharp. So followed by naming all the notes in these scales, immediately you know the missing note G and D both have sharps, because you can see that G and D have sharp from the chart. By referring to the chart, you can ensure a full marks for writing scales. When you are asked to name the key like this, you can name all the notes with sharps and flat first. For first question, after naming all the sharps, you can rearrange the sharps in correct order. First is F sharp, followed by C sharp, and then G sharp. After that, when you refer to the chart, and immediately we can see that 3 sharps belong to A major. That's how you get the answer for this question. The next question has B flat and C sharp. When the music has flat and sharps coexist together, the flat will belong to key signature and the sharp will be treated as unusual accidental. Hence, you can assume it to be the 7th note being raised in minor key. So by looking at the chart, B flat belongs to F major or D minor. But because there is a 7th note C that being raised to C sharp. So by doing this, we can find the answer easily. So when the C is a 7th note that being raised to C sharp, you know that this is not a major key, because in major key we don't raise the 7th note. So now you know this is a D minor. So this is very easy and effective. Make sure you make full use of this chart during the exam. And so your exam is like an open book test, but you are not cheating because this chart is drawing by yourself during the exam. Okay, so and this is the most effective method to secure full marks for writing scales. Remember to subscribe for a full collection of music theory lessons. Look forward to seeing you in next lesson. Goodbye. Thank you.